Hey guys, welcome to N.P. Detailing. It's Neil here. Another video today. It's a little bit different to the usual videos that I do, polishing cars, cleaning interiors. This one is about changing these motor brushes for this, my Rupes DA polisher. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you know when my new videos are up. And check this out. Okay, so to start off, all you need to do this procedure is really simple. A lot of the detailers out there know it's really simple. If they've got DA polishers, especially the Rupes ones, a lot of detailers do this themselves. If you are a novice, this is a simple video that can help you, show you how to change your brushes. So all you need to start with is a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and two Rupes brushes. Now these are for the rotary brushes in the motor, and I will show you that in a second. Okay, so here is my machine, my Rupes LHR 75E, and what's happened is the brushes are completely gone on it and the speed is not working correctly as it should. You start the machine up, it doesn't turn on. So what I need to do first, or you need to do, is to start with, all you need to do is these two screws. You want to undo them, take them out, place them down. Really simple job. Takes you 2 minutes, or should I say 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. And then all you need to do is pull off the back cover. Okay, so there you have your switch and your rotary right there. Here's one where my old brush was there, and here's the other side where the other brush goes. As you can see, I've taken them out already, the old ones, because they were completely gone. Okay, so once you open the back cover here, you will see these curly whirly springs. They're like a tensioner, and the rotary brush goes inside here. So all you need to do is get your rotary brush. Always buy genuine Rupes ones. I've tried some $2.99 eBay ones. They don't last. Some of them don't even fit. Some of these connectors actually have come off, so not built for purpose. So what you do, you get your screwdriver under there, you lift that up, you put the brush in like so. There you go. Okay, so have that, and then you let go of the spring, and as you can see, the spring is there. Okay, so my brush is here. This is the spring, and it goes on top of the brush. As you can see, if I pull on this, you can see it come out. So all you need to do is this connector, as you can see, just plugs onto this little bit of a metal plate where it connects to there. It's like an earth. There you go. Okay, so this is the connector you need to put on. All you need to do is get a flat blade and push it on. And that is it. Okay, so we've done one side. Now you need to do the second side. So again, lift up the spring, place the cable end this side, as you can see, and then let go of the spring. Make sure it's pushed on there, resting on top of the rotor. Then again, place the connector on the connection and push up. You should feel a little click. There you go, done. Right, so the brushes are done. Now it's time to put the cover back on. Make sure this dial here, the speed dial setting, is in line with the slots on here. All you do is push it on. You should feel it click. Give that cable a little bit of a tug and it goes on. Make sure this is flush. Then all you do is place your screws back on there. This is firm, and make sure this runs freely. This is your speed setting, and that's it. So now for the testing. Okay, so now you've put the cover back on, screws are nice and tight. Put the machine on speed setting number 1, and I've put the plug in and I'm going to test it. It should be a constant speed. So that literally took me 3-4 minutes. Simple technique. You could just put the brushes in yourself, get them off the internet, preferably a decent company that will cost you about between £10 to between £10 and £15 for genuine ones. And always buy genuine because they last longer. Don't go for cheap copies on eBay. So that's it for this video. If you like this video and you want to know more about these machines, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and notification bell. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it educational. For all you pros out there, you probably know this already, but this video is mainly for the novices out there. So I hope you've enjoyed it, guys, and I hope I can help you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys.